Got the stuff for my center console. So that's that. I wanted to show y'all that, and then put this tow hitch on there, or the hitch receiver. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. So all right, y'all, I got my seat out. I'm about to make me a little template. Let's see, figured out I want a panel to show me my stuff right there, and I'm gonna do cup holders, and then it'll go back. So yeah, we'll see. All right, then I just got me a little switch. It's gonna go right here, and for all my stuff, got it all wired up to this. It's gonna go to the switch. The switch is gonna run to power, but that's what that looks like. It's my voltage meter, cigarette plugs, my cup holders.